Hi everybody, welcome to KD Cuts. Today we're starting our third video in our crossbody bag series, and we're putting together Tandy's crossbody foam pouch. So let's get to the workbench and get started. Here are the parts for the kit laid out. Here are the panels with a little panel for a credit card ID, the sides, the two body pieces, the strap, and the hardware. Now on these body pieces, I've already used shipping tape and taped the back with clear shipping tape because I'm going to texture these surfaces with the Folsom, the ugliest leather tool you'll ever own that I have available at my Etsy site. I've textured all the surfaces as much as I want to. Now I've got other videos on this technique. I call this texture overstamping. I do the matting or the backgrounding first, and I'm going to do the tooling next. Now the kit came with two patterns, a geometric and a floral. I'm going to use the geometric. Now this geometric pattern in the kit is based on some old Tandy tools that they no longer have available in their lineup. The G2585 or G584, and then a border tool they call the D216. I happen to have these two tools from a few years ago when Tandy was doing their pro line, and you can find these on eBay if you want to use them. So I started tooling by scribing a 1-inch wide center strip, and remember the old rule, measure twice, cut once. It's a little bit glary in the shop today, but I had to check up on one of those lines. It's a good thing I checked it. Okay, so I've finished doing my stamping. You'll notice I did not use a double line on both sides. I just used a single line, my choice. So that's all the tooling I'm going to do, guys. I used my Folsom large format matting tool, spent a couple of minutes to develop a texture. I stamped over that, my technique I call texture overstamping. I think I'm going to do this in a red and then use a black gel to do a knockdown stain on it. Here we have all of our body parts stained in red. I used Tandy's Eco-flo water-based stain. I like that red. That's a nice vibrant red. So now we're going to take Tandy's black smoke Hi-Lite stain, and I'm going to stain over this. I call it knockdown staining, and see what that looks like. Well, we finished Tandy's crossbody phone pouch, kit number 44360. I think it came out really nice. So let's summarize. I used Red Eco-flo water-based stain. I went over that with a smoke Hi-Lite, Tandy smoke Hi-Lite stain. Call that a knockdown stain, where I do the Hi-Lite stain over the primary color. I like that look, especially when you combine it with my large format matting tool, the Folsom. You'll notice that you get a nice variegation. It's almost like doing a block die. So that's it for this, guys. If you found this interesting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button down below. And stay tuned, because the next video we're going to do in our crossbody bag series is Tandy's biker belt bag. We're going to add a strap to it and turn it into a crossbody bag.